Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. I have really been enjoying working with these honeycomb shapes. I've already done one video on honeycombs. Basically, the shape of it is a square here, a square here, and then this side is actually the same size as the square. So that's how you get the honeycomb shape. I'm not going to show you how to baste it because I've actually done videos on that in the past, but let me show you what I did here. Now what I did was I just started with the 3 honeycombs and I put those together, and then I said, oh, let me do another one. And then I just started attaching those almost in a circle, and then in the center I ended up with an octagon shape. And of course, each one of these sides is the same size as my square. And then I said, what if I put these in a different spot? Instead of having 3 together, what if I did 3 almost as an arch? So then I started laying these on top, and I get almost this swirl effect. And I really like this layout as well. So there's another thing that you can do with the honeycombs. And then I kept playing around with the honeycombs. How cool is this? Can you see the little honeycombs? And of course, there's that square again. So I would put all these honeycombs together with a square in the center, and then attach it with the other honeycomb. And then it didn't stop there. It just kept going. So then I started, what if I do colors that radiate out from the center? So here I've got the green, and then these I guess are like a teal, and then a little bit lighter teal, and then almost like an aqua blue. Then I went back to my fabric stash and said, what else can I do that with? So then I kept going and going, and I have 4 of these, and I'll probably end up attaching those together on a piece of, I'm thinking khaki fabric, and making a long table runner. So I've actually started the 4th one as well. But anyway, I certainly hope you are enjoying all of these videos. I'm really enjoying making them and doing all the sewing for them. I do have my Facebook channel, which is Learn to English Paper Piece. I will put the notes on how to get to that Facebook page in the notes of the video. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. If you think I talk too much, let me know. If I don't talk enough, if I don't explain things enough, I want to hear it all. And of course, once you go on the Facebook page, show me what you're working on. I can't wait to see. Thanks and happy sewing.